How are you?
Oh yeah, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good. You play the guitar? Are you good at it?
Yeah, I can play it a little bit.
You can play a little bit.
Yeah,
So are you just learning or
I'm just learning.
are you teaching yourself?
Yeah, I'm teaching myself. You're right.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Well,
So where are you from?
I'm from California.
California. Wow. You mean United States? Oh,
Yes.
nice, nice.
You're from
Bangladesh.
where's that?
It's South Asian country and it's next to India.
Okay, next to India.
Yeah,
What time is it out there?
12:15 a.m.
12:15
a.m. It's midnight here.
a.m.
Yeah,
Oh wow. Okay. It's 11:16 a.m.
11:16 a.m. 11
It's 11:16 Sunday morning.
Sunday morning. Oh,
It's the daytime.
okay, but it's midnight here.
So is it Monday or
Sunday past. Okay,
Sunday past?
yeah.
Okay, okay.
It's hospital.
Yes.
Why you here? Are you sick?
I got sick, yes, but I'm feeling much better.
Oh, so sad.
It's okay.
I think you will be good in soon. Very soon.
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Okay, sorry. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Well, you have a very wonderful day, and it was nice talking to you.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.